So much happened this week. It's time for the Intense 5. Cardi went after Shade Room. She held nothing back when she told them that they need to focus on positive things instead of just the negative. She go hard. Listen.
Black Rhino was admitted in critical condition after a serious car accident in New York. Of course, rumors were flying that he had died, but sources say he's in hospital, praying for a speedy recovery.
Yep. Even after all the drama in TNT, Buju went out there and gave a great performance and showed them nothing but love. The commissioner even went up on the stage to show the unity. Barbados, you're up next.
Big up to the Carifta team, not only track and field, but the swimmers. We won! We topped it all! Congrats, guys!
Woohoo! And finally holding the spot this week, there's a meme going around. The 3 things Jamaican men fear most: police, dogs, and Dexter Daps. Dexter? How you go so hard? No man, we can't show you the video, but I don't think any man will be taking their girl to see Dexter. Trouble I got there, okay? Yeah. But that's it for the Intense 5. Remember to send us what you think should make the list to our IG and Facebook pages at TVJ Intense.
Up next, Third Eye got us feeling some kind of way. Intense soon forward.